Hello and welcome back to Patchworks. Today we are back up in Cape Cod at my mom's house and we are going to be planting some hydrangeas. I had to go back and get about 20 more bags of topsoil. We got 40 bags of topsoil over here, 6 bags of kind of humus manure fertilizer. A few years ago we had ripped up these beds. There were a lot of weeds in there that we couldn't get out, and it's since sat open for like 2-3 years. So the weeds are back, but what we're going to do is we're going to fill this with the topsoil, mix in the manure, plant about 12 hydrangeas, weed barrier, and mulch. That's the word, mulch. And it is hot today. It's going to get up to about 100. It's only 10 a.m., so I'm going to try to bang this out as quickly as possible. Now, my mom wants to kind of rip out everything else. We're leaving the roses, but she doesn't really care about any of this other stuff in here, so we're just going to go right over it. Let's get into it before it gets too hot. I'm gonna rip out some of these taller ones and gonna take out this rose. Boom diggity. And now we got to spread out all of the manure. And I'm just going to try to spread that out evenly. Now, this area I do have to actually weed, because there's not a whole lot I'm working with here. I need gloves. There are holly leaves everywhere. I'm going to be throwing down a weed barrier here anyway, but I have to pick at least the majority of the green matter out of here, I think. Now it's time to go grab those hydrangeas. So I'm just gonna get to digging these. We got 12 hydrangeas. We got 9 in this front and then 3 on the side. I'm gonna dig them in. I am going to soak the crap out of them, and then we're gonna go grab lunch and stuff because it's too hot. It's almost noon, and we're gonna come back later, weed barrier, mulch, and set up the soaker hoses and timer. So let's just get to this before I turn into a lobster. Then just water the hell out of them. So quick outfit change, and a few hours later to let the temperature cool down a bit because it was so hot today. And it's time to come back with the weed barrier. Now the important thing with the weed barrier, not lay it down too tight. You want it loose, otherwise the weeds will just be able to pop right through it. Ow. I'm just gonna cut a little slit. I don't have any hooks or anything for it. It's just going to be held down with the mulch. So we'll see how that goes. Got a nice chunk of my thumb off right there. All better. Moment of truth, let's see if this works. It seems to only do one side at a time, maybe for pressure purposes. That's working. Heyo. It's working. I greatly underestimated how many bags of mulch I'd need. that's it for today's video. I finished mulching late last night. I had to go back and grab about twice as many bags of mulch to finish this off. But I really like how it came out. The soakers are set up to water every morning, and I think they're going to do great here. We've had them here before. So be sure to like the video if you like what you saw. Subscribe to see more content like this, as well as some other stuff coming out. We have more food plot videos coming out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.